Start lighting. It's like driving down a tunnel in a corner. The cool thing about this bathroom is the lighting. Okay. We have 3 light switches. 1, 2, 3. There's interesting fake leather stitched walls. Nice sink. Vanity. Even a tissue box. This actually is stitched leather. Mirror. Bathroom only, but no mirror. Shower. The shower is interesting. There's doors and these rollers. Just goes down like that. It's a bench. Knob, delta, faucets up there. You got your drain over there. It's huge. There's 3 of these steps, plus drain and bench. Walk all the way over here. The shampoo and the shower gel have miraculous smell. It smells amazing. The tile work is done very professionally because you can see you're supposed to line up the veins. You see? It all flows perfectly. The whole thing flows perfectly. Every tile works. Either you have your perfect lineup or just they're always supposed to line up in the same direction of flow. It's not random. We also have this tile work on the floor and then the toilet. Now it's time for the toilet view. The toilet's an American standard. It mounts in the back, so there's no gap. Here's a view from the toilet. Your mirror, your light, you have a mirror, sink, shower. It's not separate. Some bathrooms, the toilet was separate from the shower area, so you can have 2 people at once. This one now. However, the dark color is contrasting with a white marble. I have a square of everything. The light fixture square, the door, the sink, everything but the toilet is all square. It's a rather nice motif. Hotel art review. Picture of Rolls-Royce. Light of Rolls-Royce. Bedside lights are kind of cool. Leading up into an immense headboard that's part of a wall. Stretches from end to end. Matching sofa that takes up the entire wall. Light fixtures are also art pieces in this hotel. Looks like inch to inch and a quarter plexiglass squares. 4 squares per cube. 3 cubes tall. Very nice dark wood doorways and closet. Blends very well with room. One iron. Lots of hangers. Exterior closet. Very nice not to forget things. It came in handy on this very morning. Leather trash can. As well as aforementioned leather Kleenex dispenser. And leather walls. Matching with the dark sliding doors, creating a stark contrast between that and the marble tiles. Large refrigerator. Very good size for a hotel of this size.